Okay, so it says find the list number which when increased by 3. Okay, so which when increased by 3 will be exactly divisible by 24, 36 and 48. So I want to find a number which is exactly divisible by 24, exactly divisible by 36 and exactly divisible by 48. But which number? The number, the least number I need to find, which when increased by 3, then that should be exactly divisible by these numbers. So I will going to assume that let x be that number that is exactly divisible by 24, 36 and 48. So for that I will going to initially write the value of x as 24. What is 24? 24 is 8, that is 2 cube into 3. This is 24. This number is divisible by 24. Okay, now again 36. So I know the factor of 36. It is 4 into 9, that is 2 square into 3 square. So I already have 2 cube from this, I already have 3 from here, but here I need 2 3, so I will going to have one more 3. So this is exactly divisible by 36. Now I also want 48. So what are the factors of 48? 48 factor is 4 into 4 1 ja 4 2 ja, so it is 4 square. Okay, see here 48 factor will be 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 and 4 3 ja, so 4 square into 3. So 3 I already have from here, but 4 square is missing. So what I'll do, I'll write 2 to the power of 4 here. So now this is that number. Okay, this is that number which is exactly divisible by 24, 36 as well as 48. But is this my number I am looking for? No, I am looking for a least number which when increased by 3. Okay, which when increased by 3. So first I will going to find this number. Okay, what would be that? It will be 4 4 is 16, 16 into 9, which comes out to 144. But it says the number which when increased by 3, it means I have to decrease this by 3. So my number will be 141. So answer is C. Clear? Okay, so question number 7, it says GCD of denominator of some fraction is B. Okay, and LCM of numerator is A, then LCM of given fraction will be what? Okay, so I need to find LCM. I need to find LCM of given fraction. Okay, I want to find the LCM of given fraction. So you know, if the given fraction is say A by B, okay, or fractions, right? It is not fraction, it is fractions. Okay, then what I'll do, then I will going to find LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominator, or you can even say instead of HCF you can even say GCD. So LCM of numerator is A, that is written here, it is given here, it is A, and GCD of denominator of some fraction be B, so B. So answer is A by B. So B is the correct answer for this question number 7. This was again very easy, you could have done. Okay, question number 8, it says LCM of two number is 77 times of their GCD. It means it is saying that LCM of two number. So first number is say N1, second number is N2. The LCM of two number is 77 times GCD of those two number, that is N1 and N2. And it says GCD is 9 and their GCD, and GCD is 9, and then second is what? Then second is GCD. Okay, GCD is 9. So GCD of this N1 and N2, it is saying it is 9. Then what it says? Then bigger number of them is what? Okay, so which is the larger number out of this N1 and N2? That's what we have to find. Okay, we know LCM is equal to 77 into GCD, and GCD is given 9. So I will going to have this 9. Now I will going to find the factors of this 77 and 9. That will be 7 into 11, okay, into 9. So I will going to find the factors of those two numbers. Okay, based on these LCM, I'm going to find the factors. Okay, so one factor could be 7 and 99. 7, then next could be 9 and 77, and then another could be 11 and 9 7 ja, it is 63. Okay, so the bigger number out of these is 99. So 99 should be the answer. So 99 will be the first number. Okay, that's what is the answer. Got it? Okay, so it says that the LCM of two number, okay, LCM of two prime numbers. Okay, these are the prime numbers, n1 and n2. They are prime number, and it is 629. Then find their difference. So I need to find the factors of this 629. They are 17 and 37. Okay, these are the factors. So I need to find their difference. So difference will be what? Difference will be 37 minus 17, that comes to 20. So 20 is the answer for this. Fine. So question number 10, it says that if A, B, C, D are prime, means they are prime number, then find GCD of, okay, find GCD. GCD of which number? 1 by A by B, B by C, and C by D. Okay, they all are prime number. A, B, C, D are prime number. So GCD of 1, A, B, and C divided by LCM of A, B, C, and D. Okay, GCD of all these number, these are all prime number, it will be 1. And the LCM of all these prime number will be A, B, C, D. So 1 upon A, B, C, D is the correct answer. Question number 11. It says if x, 2x, 6x, and 8x are the numerator of the fraction. So I have fraction whose numerator is x, then 2x, then 6x, and 8x. These are the fractions with their denominator as 3x, 6x, 9x, and 12x respectively. Then what will be their LCM? Oh, it's very easy. LCM of these fractions, they are same. So LCM this fraction of will be nothing but LCM of all these number, that is 1, 2, 6, and 8. Okay, divide by GCD or HCF of 3, 6, 9, and 12. So here you can find the LCM to be 3 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here. So LCM of this will be your 8 into 3. This will be your LCM. And GCD means greatest greatest common. Na? So here greatest common will be what? It will be only 3. Correct? So 3 and 3 is cancelled. 8 will be the answer. Got it?
Yeah.
8 will be the answer for this. Okay, so there is a mistake I did here. And what's the mistake? The mistake is the number which is given here. Okay, they are not in reduced form. So I have to bring this in reduced form. I have just reduced this x part. I have simply reduced this x part and wrote the coefficient as 1, 2, 6, and 8. But that is incomplete. What we need to do? I have to even reduce this. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. It will be 1 by 3. Then 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. So it will be 2 by 3. Then 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. So it will be 2 by 3. This is the correct way to find the LCM of number. Okay, whenever there is a fraction. So here I have to take the LCM of 1 and 2, and here I have to take GCD of 3. So LCM of 1 and 2 will be 2, and GCD of this 3 will be 3 only. So 2 by 3 will be the correct answer. Understood this? Fine. So it says 6 bells commence tolling together and toll at intervals of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 seconds respectively. In 30 minutes, how many times do they toll together? Okay, so here one thing is very, very clear. What's that? That I need to find the LCM of all these numbers. It is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So LCM will be what? It is 2. This is 2 square. This is 2 into 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and here this will be 2 cube will be 8, and then here 10 will be 2 into 5, and here 12 will be your 4, no 4, not 4, yeah 4 into 3. Okay, so LCM will come out to 2 cube. Okay, 2 cube into 3 into 5. So 5 2 ja 10 and 4 3 ja 12. So LCM came to 120. Fine. So they will going to, in 120 seconds, what will happen? They will going to toll once. Okay, in 20 seconds they will going to meet once. One time they are meeting in how many seconds? 120 seconds. Okay, they have found, once they are asking in 30 minutes how many times do they toll together. Okay, so one time they are tolling in 120 seconds. So in 30 minutes, so I need to multiply by 60 to convert into same units, that is in seconds. How many times it will going to toll? Now you have to cross multiply. So question mark will be 30 into 60 divided by 120. So 0 0 cancel, 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja 12, 2 1 ja, 2 15 ja. So 15 is the correct answer. Got it? Fine. So question number 13 says HCF and LCM of two numbers are 50 and 250 respectively. Okay. So HCF of two number, that is N1, okay, and N2, that is 50, and LCM of those same number N1 and N2, that is 250 respectively. If first number is divided by 2, okay, if first number is divided by 2, the quotient is 50. So the answer of quotient which I am getting is 50. Then find the second number. Then I need to find the second number. I have the relationship. What? N1 into N2 is equal to HCF into LCM. From here N1 is what? From here N1 is 2 into 50 into N2, which I have to find, that is equal to HCF. My HCF is 50 and my LCM is 250. Now I need to solve this to find the value of N2. So this 50 and 50 get cancelled. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 25. So my value of N2 will be 125. So 125 is the answer. Clear?